We have a nice, great, big crate here that the kittens are in. They're checking it out. They're using the litter box in there. I have it built up so they could just plop in and get in and out. They're a little bit nervous because they were just put in here and they're like, this is not a box. What's going on? It's bright in here. So they're checking it out. Maximus! Hey, Maximus. Lola. Hey, guys. Tatiana's like, it's fine. I'm sacked out. Hey, guys. Hey. Hello. Hi. Well, hello, Aslan. Maximus. Hey, baby. Boop. Hello. Hi, Charlie. Hello, Lola. Charlie and Lola. Maximus. Tatiana's sleeping. Come on. Hey. Amelia. They're all snug like a bug in a rug. Getting into their piles. I know. Thank you.